morning friends. So today we are going to make a video of this cleaner, stainless steel cleaner for only for surface cleaning and Avance more than you expected. I bought it from Amazon and I felt it is quite good. Now I used it for a couple of days. So let's begin. It's a small video, you can watch till the end, and I'll share the description link section where you can buy it from. So let's try how effective it is. So the first of all, this is a chimney and here part, and you can see that how dirty it is. So I'm gonna spray it across and then see how much effective it is. This is the inside and this is the outside. So first sample, first thing is this. The second thing is this tap. Here you can see that it's all calcium and quite dirty. And so let's see whether this thing can clean it or not. So it will take some time for me. So first what you need to do is they have given this Scotch Brite sort of a thing and a scrubber, and first I'll spray it on the surface and leave it, and then I'll clean it and I'll show you whether it is effective or not. Also take precaution that you wear proper mask because it's smelling. Once you spray it, leave it for some time so that it gets cleaned up, and it's quite high on chemicals, acid. So use an exhaust fan when you are doing it, and wear a proper mask as I have already done, and if possible then wear even gloves. So let's wait for another 20-25 minutes. In the meanwhile I'll spray it nicely. So, and we will leave it for another 15-20 minutes. So friends, now let's try to clean it up, and it's around 15-20 minutes, and let's see how easily is it going to do. Yes, of course, you can see the difference. I'll show you. So let me clean this up. If I talk about this chimney, then this is quite effective, and let's try for the other part, and I'll wash it with water. And you can see that all the dirt is coming out. Now let's try the other one, the faucet one, this part. So let's see how effective it is. And please take precautions to wear mask. That's extremely important. I'm quoting again. Yes, it do have chemical, so which can affect your lungs. So please wear proper mask and do it in a ventilated area. So let's see. and we can see this, there is a lot better condition now. So we'll give it one more try, and even I can show you on this the stainless steel surfaces. Here you can see that all calcium is there. All you need to do is spray it, and it also restores the shine. That is a very good thing which I liked it the most. And here also you can see that how much dirt it has captured from the chimney. And let me clean it first. So here you can see. Now let's go back and try to clean this. And you can see that it is quite well effective, and also the better point is that it doesn't affect your stainless steel items, and you can see that it hasn't affected the shine also, it doesn't goes off. That is the best part. So quite good for these taps and faucets, all the cleaning, and even the chimney you can see what I've cleaned and its effectiveness. So I like this item a lot, and I do appreciate you can buy it from the link in the description section. Let me wash it, then you can understand how well it has been cleaned up. That's all you need to clean it, and you can see that it started shining. So friends, so it's quite good. Let me give you a closer look of this. So definitely I'd recommend you guys to purchase it from the description section, and thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe.